Hello and welcome to Simple as That, the program that brings you simple but cost-effective ways of doing things. Today we're going to show you a very nutritious meal made with plenty of vegetables, courtesy one of our dear sponsors, Eden Tree Ltd, producers of fresh fruits and vegetables. When I come back from the break, we'll meet someone from the Eden Tree restaurant to show us how to make a very nutritious meal. Stay tuned. I'll be back after the break. Welcome back and thanks for staying with me on that commercial break. Once again, I'll say that we are privileged to have with us Chef Mark from Eden Tree Restaurant. And today he has something amazing for us. Welcome to the program, Chef.
Thank you, madam.
What are you going to make for us today?
Today, I'm going to make for you contemporary stew with a lot of vegetables from Eden Tree.
Wow, so the ingredients...
And then our popular food, beans stew, which is called red.
Oh, so you're going to make two meals?
Two items for you, yes.
So what are the ingredients you're going to use?
Yeah, the ingredients I'm going to use is, I have the red stew, you see, for contemporary. And then I have another red stew for beans. And then I have my vegetables that will be mixed with the stew.
All right.
Yes.
And we have something very interesting here.
This is a new line product from Eden Tree. Yes, it's already prepared for you. You have egg salad, tuna salad, and then chicken salad. You know, this is different from every salad you get from anywhere.
Why is that, Chef?
Yes. Here we have introduced our own salad dressing. That is Eden Tree special dressing. These have spices and herbs in the vinegar.
I see.
This vinegar dressing.
I see.
Because we deal with the vegetables and the herbs. So we don't lack anything we want to put in there.
That's very true.
Yes.
That's very true.
Yes. And our salad and everything are well spiced and well herbs, you see. Because you have to take in a lot of herbs and vegetables to keep your body healthy.
And strong.
Sure.
All the time.
I see.
All right. So we're going to start cooking now.
Yes.
All right.
So I go to the fire and I start business.
So which one are you going to make first, or you're going to make both together?
I'm going to make both together.
Wow.
To save you time and easy way of doing cooking.
All right.
Eden Tree have thought about all hazard you go through to make yourself a good dish. Yeah, or meal. Okay. So we have done everything already. So I'll just take my stew for the beans. I have crushed chilies and garlic already. And then I have garlic and ginger. Okay. So I put a little of the pepper. It depends because I like enough pepper.
A lot of pepper.
Maybe you don't. So I just put
a little bit. Just
a little chili and yeah. You see. Then garlic and ginger. I put a little. You know, for health wise, you have to eat a lot garlic.
A lot of garlic.
Yes, to keep your body healthy.
Strong.
Yeah. Okay. Then while I'm stirring this, I'll start with the contemporary stew too. So that one too, you have the the same tomato, onion, red stew with agusi. You see, I don't like, or many people don't like too much of agusi, but the vegetables is what is important to the health. You see, yes. So you have more of agusi in the tomato and onion red stew. Yes. So I come with the beans.
All right.
You see, so it will come close to me. Then for the first way of cooking, you see, I boil my vegetables halfway.
Halfway.
I'll add part of the vegetables. For the red. See. And then this is a squash. That one, it doesn't need cooking because it doesn't have resistance. So that when you are cooking your vegetable, you select that one out. You see.
You so don't parboil it.
No. That one don't have much resistance. See. So
I must say that I like the way the contomere has been packaged.
Yeah.
Anytime I wash and cut contomere, my hands start to itch
you.
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm very happy that Eden Tree has already done it for me.
So here we go. You see, for the stew, contomere stew, your vegetable don't have to be overcooked. Yes. So as you have the vegetables here halfway cooked already, contomere leaves has been well washed and treated. We treat all our vegetables with disinfectant.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yes, before they were being packaged.
That's very
nice.
You see,
yes. So straight from the pack,
you can
go
put
to
in
your
food.
Sure.
All right.
Yes. So here.
So we're not going to put any meat or fish or anything like that in any of our stews today.
Okay, from here, if you have your chicken, you have your beef, any protein you feel you want straight, you add up.
All right.
And then you have your meal.
All right.
Yes. So I'll put season. A little season here, a little season there. And then you need to add a little liquid so that.
So I'll get you some water.
Yes.
So it's amazing. It's not even 5 minutes and we already have a dish cooked.
Yes. This is what Eden Tree is doing to help the public, to save time and to save cost in cooking.
And to make sure that whatever you're using to cook your meal is very, very clean and healthy.
Yes.
You know, some people boil the contomere before they put in the stew. Is it a very smart thing to do?
You see, our grandmothers and our aunties in the house, that is what they are being taught from ancient time.
Right.
But as education is growing, we are advancing. Research is coming to play.
Right.
You see, then medical officer will tell you it is good you cook your food, not overcook.
Overcook.
Yes.
And viewers, I must also comment that all the utensils we're using here was given to us by kind courtesy of Blue Ribbon Exclusive Household. Then the furniture also from Poga Standard Furniture. And you see me drinking water all the time. Yes, mineral water.
And I will recommend that many a times for us to eat meat and fish, it's better we go much on beans.
Yeah.
Yes.
Plant,
you see.
Protein.
Yes. You see, that keeps us more healthier than meat and so on.
Meat,
yes.
Fish all the time.
Yes. So we are done.
Oh, already our beef stew is done. I'm surprised how many minutes, if you counted, is less than 5 minutes or so. It's amazing the time you can save if you get your fruits and vegetables from Eden Tree. And not only do they give us fruits and vegetables, but they also teach us how to cook and save time. They are very, very nice people. So it's, oh, the contomere too is also ready.
Yes, you don't have to overcook the contomere.
I see.
Yes. You know, look the sizes as it has been shredded. That's why it has been shredded fine. So all you need is to get cooked, but not overcook.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So viewers, you see, if you don't like spending a lot of time in the kitchen, then simple as that is a program you should watch, because not only do we teach you how to save time and cost and everything, but we show you how to cook and how to cook very, very fast. So stay tuned when I come back from the commercial break. Something very interesting. We're eating. Okay, now what do I do? What do I do? Let me try this. Hello? Hello? Hi. Hello. My name is Vera. I'm doing a program called Simple as That, and I've cooked a very wonderful meal, and I'm inviting you to come and eat with me. Don't feel scared. You see, their cameras are here, so you are safe. If you, yes, please eat.
For free?
For free.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. So you can come in and park your car and let's eat, because I want you to be safe. I want your car to be safe. Okay, so welcome to my home. Okay, it's time to eat now, and William, I have contomere stew. I have red, that is beef stew. But there's no meat, there's no fish. Strictly vegetarian. So is that okay with you?
That's alright. My fiance is a vegetarian, so
okay.
Vegetarian diet.
Oh, I see. Then also there's cooked yam and red plantain, and we have fried red plantain. So
that's alright with me.
And of course, this is Chef Mark from Eden Tree Restaurant. So after you've had this meal, and Chef, you can go ahead and serve, please. Yeah. And you're so impressed by Chef's cooking, and you want to eat something from him again, you can just go to Eden Tree Restaurant on the Spinters Road. Let me grab you a fork and a knife, or just a fork with it.
Anything goes. And point of question, my name is Willie, not William.
Willie? Oh my goodness, how did I get the wrong name? free. Do you like it?
Yeah. That's my free lunch.
Chef Mark here is very, very good. I can guarantee that.
Yeah.
Wow. Willie is having a very good time.
It's nice.
I see. Let me taste it.
Thank God I came your way.
Yeah, thank God you came my way. Actually, thank God you came my way. Okay, so while you're eating, really, I want to say a big thank you for coming on my show, because I mean, you don't know me, but because you saw the camera and everything around, you trusted us and you came. So I have a box of natural mineral water for you to say thank you. No, on this program we believe in drinking water, a lot of water, not just any water, but pure clean water from natural mineral water. So this is for you. When the program is over, when you finish eating, you can take it away. And of course, Chef Mark, this is for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chef, for making this wonderful meal.
Welcome.
Enjoy yourselves, gentlemen. Now to our tips for the week. To identify fresh eggs from old eggs, carefully look at the shells. That of fresh eggs look chalky and rough. That of old eggs look smooth and shiny. Noodles, spaghetti and other starchy foods won't boil over if first you rub the inside of the pot with a little oil. And of course, we'll recommend soya bean or olive oils. And finally, to prevent your potatoes from burning, especially if you want to keep it for a long period of time, drop an apple in the bag and they will stay fresher longer. That'll be all for the tips. Before I go, let me say a wonderful thank you to our lovely and generous sponsors. Poga Standard Furniture for this wonderful kitchen. Blue Ribbon Exclusive Household for stocking the kitchen. Yes, Natural Mineral Water. Eden Tree Ltd, home of fresh fruits and vegetables. The Rose Fashions for my beautiful costume, of course. And Second Image Hair and Beauty Academy, making sure I look beautiful all the time. Not forgetting you, amazing and lovely viewers. Till I come your way next week, do a lot of exercise, drink a lot of water, and eat fresh fruits from Eden Tree Ltd, home of fresh fruits and vegetables.